work. This is how we serve the egg, fried egg. So we just make it cook the liquid one, the white one, and it's ready to serve and ready to eat. I normally put this in the salamander so that the top will be also cooked. Yeah, and some guests they want it over easy. So what I do is just do like this and flip it, and just like that, and then I will put it in the plate and it's ready. The egg yolk is still very soft, but I don't like that. That's why I'm breaking this. I want it fully cooked. It's a given for the long night since the day that you were gone. Why did you leave me so late that in my heart you were the only. Yeah, this one is a tuna. As you can see, there is a 4-star rating. This is actually made in Thailand, but it is designed for Australia. There is one piece chili. Oh, nice. Oh, this is good. It is in a slice, so it means that this one is designed for sandwich. I'm actually going to put everything here. Yeah. Yeah, this is my second coffee. It is now 12 o'clock. Yeah. I actually sleeping at around for around 2 hours. And outside is very good. Yeah, it's not windy. It's sunny, blue sky. If you look outside, it looks like it's not cold, but yeah, I think it's not cold. The temperature is actually 17 degrees. Yeah, good outside. Okay, these are some of the clothes that I picked up from outside. They are now dry, but I still have some in there. I noticed that the clothes that I wash is not really clean, and then I tried to open this and I got this one in the washing machine. Look at this. This is very dirty. I didn't know about this. Yeah, just now it's been almost 3 years that I have. Okay, I'm just going to clean this, and yeah, we're going out later. Look at this. This is the dirt that I got from there. And we put it like that. And then this. Okay. It is now 2:30. And I'm preparing my lunch. This is the one. Yeah, this is fish, onion, noodles, tomato, and some seasoning. I have my rice. And this is my last rice. We're going to the grocery later. We're going to bike around and then grocery later. Yo, yeah, it was 4:30 when I left the house, and I checked what time is the sunset, and the sunset is actually going to happen at 5:01. So we still have the chance to see it. It depends if there is a clouds. Sunset is going to be on that side. Yes, I can see. The clouds is now pinkish, so maybe the sun already is gone. Sunset is already gone. Actually, it happened on that side. Yeah, now it's gone, but we're still going to have a look on that side. This is how it is. Yeah, the sun is already gone, and looks like there is a rain on that side. If you can see the darker kinds of clouds. Yeah, this is how it is at the moment. There are many people in there, in the water. Also in here they are having family picnic, and I didn't know that there is a couple on that side. Look at that pelican. Awesome. And the same like yesterday, there are many tourists around here. Even on that side, I've seen so many. And if you can see those people, there are some people in the boat, in the yacht. One is paddle boarding and one is kayaking. Nice. Yeah, that's it for today here. We are now going home. No, we go first to the grocery. You know, most of the shops are already closed. Yeah, some of the restaurants, they are still open, but there's not so much people. Most of the people are in the park, no, in the water, in the beach. Yeah, that bus is going to Newcastle. Yeah, we are going inside. We are going to buy rice, 5 kilo of rice. My backpack is empty, so I can put. This is the one. Yeah, $12. This is $12.50. And we are also going to change the oil. We're now going to use olive oil instead of this kind of oil. The cheapest olive oil that I can see in here is maybe this one. Primero extra virgin olive oil, which is just $5, 25% off. Yeah, the rest that I'm seeing, or this one. I think I'm going to take this. Yeah, this is just $4. This home brand. Okay, we take this one. You know, there is a very long queue in the cashier. Have everything in the backpack, and you can see there are many people here. Even more people are coming, and it is now getting dark outside here. If you remember last time, I was about to come here in the grocery, but I noticed that my bike lock is lost. Yeah, this is the new one that I bought. This is $30, and it looks good. I like this bike lock because this one is combination, and the other one I always need to find the key. Anyway, I always keep the key in here, but you know, it's a little hassle when you are looking for the key. And if you don't know, I have this light. It's very useful, especially in the morning that I'm going to work. I always use that. Also this. I know side, stand beside you through the years.